In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog on Shopify. By the end, you'll have your first post drafted, optimized, and ready to go live on your store. First, sign in to your Shopify Admin. You'll land on your main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Content. This is the place where Shopify groups written content like blog posts, pages, and files, so it's the hub for your store's editorial work. Click Content to open it. Inside Content, choose Blog Posts. This takes you to the Blog Post Manager, where you'll see any existing posts and the tools to create new ones. Shopify treats blog posts as articles that live within a blog, such as news or journal. If you've never posted before, you'll still see the option to add your first one. Now, click Create Blog Post. This opens the editor where you'll enter everything your post needs. Start with a clear, compelling title. Aim for something descriptive that includes a key phrase your audience might search for. Below that, write your content in the main editor. Use short paragraphs, add headings to break up sections, and include links to helpful pages on your site, like products, collections, or related articles. If you add images, give them descriptive alt text to support accessibility and search visibility. On the right side, set the featured image to represent your post on listing pages. Choose which blog this post belongs to from the blog dropdown. Many stores default to a news blog, but you can select any existing blog you use. Pick an author from your store's list if you want to display one, and add tags to help organize and filter your content. Scroll to the excerpt field to write a brief summary that appears on your blog index or in cards across your theme. Keep it concise and enticing. In the search engine listing preview, edit the SEO title and meta description so they're readable and keyword focused. Try to keep the title around 50-60 characters and the description near 150-160 so they display well in results. Review the URL handle for clarity. Simple words separated by hyphens work best. Before you finish, set the visibility. You can keep it hidden while you draft, make it visible immediately, or schedule a publish date if you're planning a campaign. When everything looks good, click Save. After saving, use the preview to see how your post appears on your storefront and make any quick edits to formatting or images if needed. That's it. Your Shopify blog post is created, organized, and optimized, ready to help you connect with customers and boost your store's SEO.